How to turn off auto payment on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off auto payment on Netflix. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first thing, let's say that you have a subscription on Netflix and Netflix automatically keeps charging you each month, and it automatically deducts your balance from the payment method which you have actually added. You want to turn that setting off. You're not being able to figure out how you can do that. Now, there are a number of ways on how you can actually work around this. The very first thing we want to do is we want to actually log in from our browser and not from the app. I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall the app for a while, because what this does is that whenever I try to log into my browser, it will redirect me to the app itself. So I'm going to actually delete Netflix app from my phone first. And after that, what I will do is I will simply open my browser, and in the search box I will simply go to netflix.com. So go ahead and simply type in netflix.com. I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Go ahead and simply make sure to check that out as well. Once you go to netflix.com, you can see we've been logged into Netflix. If I hadn't deleted my Netflix app before, it would actually redirect me to the app itself. That is why I actually deleted the app. What you actually want to do is, after you log into Netflix on your browser as well, on the very top left hand side you can see this 3 horizontal lines icon. All you have to do is actually basically tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon, and here at the very top you'll find the option which says accounts, and all you have to do is actually simply select account. Once you select account, you'll be taken to an account page where you have multiple options such as your membership and billing, and right under the billing information you can see this option which says change billing day. Now the very first thing to work around this is that you have to understand that Netflix doesn't have a definitive setting to actually turn off your automatic payment. What you can do is you could basically do 2 things. The first thing is that you could change your billing day from your current billing day in order to stop Netflix from charging you on that particular day. The other thing you could do is you could actually simply go ahead and cancel your membership. It will cancel after next month, and you could go ahead and recharge it again the next month whenever you want to resume your membership again. The first thing we will do is actually simply tap on the change billing day option. As we tap on change billing day, it will basically show you our current billing day, which is the 26th of each month. Let's say you don't want to be charged on the 26th. Let's say that you actually simply want to be charged on the 1st of each month, or let's say the 30th of each month. I will simply go ahead and simply select last day of the month, for example. Once you've done that, you could actually go ahead and tap on this button which says review and confirm, and this will basically stop Netflix from charging you on that particular day and give you a little bit of time whenever you want to actually change your membership details. The other thing you could do is you could actually come back, and what you could also do is simply select this option which says cancel membership. Go ahead and tap on the cancel membership button, and it will ask you for a confirmation basically, and after the end of the month your membership will be cancelled, which means that you won't be charged at all. Now this is the very best option which I would actually also recommend you doing if you're thinking that the billing date changing is not actually reliable. You could go ahead and finish cancellation. It is not going to delete your account or anything. Next time you could simply recharge and then resume your membership again. And these are some of the ways on how you can actually turn off automatic payment on Netflix. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.